Trading options on E-Trade requires approval and basic knowledge. Here's a simple guide for beginners. Here's a step-by-step process. Log into your E-Trade account at etrade.com or the mobile app. Get options trading approval. Go to Accounts, Account Settings, Options Trading. Apply for approval, level 1 or 2 for basic strategies. Approval usually takes 1 to 2 days. Fund your account. Ensure you have sufficient cash or margin in your brokerage account. Search for the option. Type the stock symbol, for example, APL. Click on Options Chain. Choose the contract. Select expiration date, strike price, and call or put. Place the trade. Click Trade on the desired contract. Choose Buy to Open for new positions. Enter quantity, number of contracts. Select order type, market or limit. Review Greeks, premium, and total cost. Click Place Order and confirm. Important tips. Start with paper trading to practice. Understand risks. Options can expire worthless. Use E-Trade's options education resources. Monitor positions closely.